Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I guide you to delete or repost on Instagram. Now if you want to delete or repost on Instagram but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Instagram app on a device. So if you have not installed the Instagram app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, you just need to open the Instagram app, and as you can see, this is the homepage of Instagram, where you can see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as the story shared by other people at the very upper taskbar. So you just need to click on the option of your profile icon at the very bottom right, and here you'll see the post which you have done by yourself, and you see the option of edit profile, share profile and all. So simply ignore all of it and click on the option of three straight lines at the very top right. So here you'll see all of the options, but you just need to click on the option of repost button at the very top, and here you'll see the option of two arrows like this. So click on it, and here you just need to open the repost which you want to remove and click on the option of three dots at the video, and here you'll see so to delete a repost, you just need to click on the option of your profile icon at the very bottom right, and here you'll see the post which you have done by yourself, the reels which you have shared, and the repost which you have done, and the tagged post which you are in. So you just need to click on the option of repost, which is the third option, and you just need to open the video or repost which you want to delete. So this is the repost which I want to delete, so you just need to click on the repost button again, and as you can see, the repost has successfully been deleted or has been unreposted. So that's it. That's how you can delete a repost on Instagram. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.